Do you want to know when, what, and how to introduce solid foods to your baby? Welcome back to my channel. Watch and learn with Umaima. Giving your baby his or her first taste of solid food is a major milestone. Here's what you need to know before your baby takes that first bite. When to introduce solid foods. The dietary guidelines of pediatrics recommend children be introduced to foods other than breast milk or infant formula when they are about 6 months old. Introducing foods before 4 months old is not recommended. Every child is different. Remember that each child's readiness for solid foods depends on their own rate of development. How do you know if your child is ready for foods? You can look for these signs that your child is developmentally ready. 1. Your child sits up alone or with support. 2. Is able to control head and neck. 3. Opens the mouth when food is offered. 4. Swallows food rather than pushes it back out onto the chin. 5. Brings objects to the mouth. 6. Tries to grasp small objects, such as toys or food. What foods should I introduce to my child first? The American Academy of Pediatrics says that for most children, you do not need to give foods in a certain order. Your child can begin eating solid foods at about 6 months old. By the time he or she is 7 or 8 months old, your child can eat a variety of foods from different food groups. These foods include infant cereals, meat or other proteins, fruits, vegetables, grains, yogurts and cheeses, and more. For more information about baby foods you can watch this video, 18 Superfood for Babies and Toddlers, which can give a nutritional boost to your newborn. How should I introduce my child to foods? Let your child try one single ingredient food at a time at first. This helps you see if your child has any problems with that food, such as food allergies. Wait 3 to 5 days between each new food. Before you know it, your child will be on his or her way to eating and enjoying lots of new foods. Potentially allergenic foods include cow's milk products, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy, and sesame. Drinking cow's milk or fortified soy beverages is not recommended until your child is older than 12 months, but other cow's milk products, such as yogurt, can be introduced before 12 months. My next video would be on, how should I prepare food for my child to eat? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.